Good morning, Honolulu. It's Sunday, April 10th, and we got the Hapalua Half Marathon going on. Check it out. We've got thousands and thousands of runners doing this downtown turnaround at the edge of Chinatown. This is River Street right here. They started out in Waikiki at the Duke Kahanamoku statue, and they're headed back for a loop around Diamond Head and finish in Kapiolani Park. But I've got the bird's eye view right here. They're headed down King Street. They're going to go King to Kapiolani to Pi'ikoi, back to Ala Moana, and then loop around Kapiolani Park and Diamond Head. But I'm just going to sit back here, drink my cup of coffee, and enjoy the morning. Aloha.